There is a massive lie going around right now that because AI can code, you don't need to learn how. That's like saying because we have calculators, we don't need mathematics. AI is raising the bar to a level we have never seen before. If you are just vibing with a chatbot, you are in big trouble. But if you know how to lead it, you just became the most valuable person in the room. So let's talk about how to become that person. How to become the top 1% of the software engineers. So right now thousands of students and beginners are stuck, not because they are lazy, but because they are confused. You open YouTube and it's a complete chaos. Learn AI, learn web development. AI will replace programmers. Every video says something different and slowly you stop starting. So let's remove that noise. So AI truly feels magical. You just type one prompt and it builds things that used to take days. Apps, websites, features, it even fixes your bugs. But here's something I didn't understand at first. AI is not intelligent in the way you think. It's fast, it's trained on patterns, but it does not understand why anything exists. Think of it like a ultimate junior developer. It can follow instructions at lightning speed, generate code, but it has no idea where the ship is sailing, why the feature exists, and what impact it will create, and what are the consequences if it breaks. So let me tell you a story I heard. So there was a developer who built a search feature using AI, just vibe coding. It looked amazing. There were instant results. The UI was smooth, and there was this autocomplete feature. He even tested it with few users and everything worked perfectly. But then the nightmare came when the Black Friday hit. So if you know about scaling, thousands of users flooded that website and they were using the search feature. And within minutes, the system crashed. The database hit 100% CPU and the company was losing around $12,000 per minute. Later, when they looked at the logs, they found out that the search feature was culprit. Basically, it was firing a database query on every single keystroke. There was no debouncing, no caching, no rate limiting, and if the user typed running shoes, it's 12 separate queries hitting the database. And when they asked the developer, he said that it was working and he didn't think that this might happen. The developer didn't make any bad decision. He didn't even made a decision at all. He just vibed with the AI until the reality hit him. This is what most people are doing right now. They generate code, it works, and they think they are learning. But they are not. They are just getting better at asking AI questions, not solving problems. You are not competing with AI. You are supposed to control it. You are the architect and the AI is a power tool. A power tool can build a house very fast, but if the blueprint is wrong, the house will fall apart. AI can write code, but it cannot debug real world chaos, understand users deeply, or think long term about a business. If you try to wipe code a feature, you will just hit accept, and it will be done. You will take like about 10 minutes to do it, and then maybe an hour or two to think about the edge cases that might come. And after that, you will be spending more time on debugging if the system crashes or something. But here's what a senior developer would do. The senior developer might take an hour to make the same feature you made with AI in just 10 minutes. But while he is building that feature, he have created a mind map over the code and he knows what every line does. Now, if anything breaks, he will be able to fix it quickly because he knows what every line of code does and he knows where the error is actually coming from. So now let's talk about how to become the top 1% in this era of AI. Start before you feel ready. Confidence comes after you take actions, not before. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Build things, don't just watch. Watching tutorials is like learning to ride a bike, watching YouTube tutorials. You only learn when you fall. So you can follow this rule. For every hour you spend watching a tutorial, spend 4 hours building the same thing without a tutorial. Stop chasing perfect code. Here's the truth. Nobody cares about your code. They just care about what it does. And the most important thing is master the foundations like data structures, algorithms, system design. These are no longer any extra things. basically become a full stack discipline developer. So now the jobs of only front end developer or only back end developer, a system design guy, and a database guy, these are going now. If you want to become a top 1% of developers, you need to learn all of them and know how the systems work. AI is not replacing developers, it's exposing them. The ones who knew how to copy paste syntax are struggling, but the ones who understand systems, they just became 10 times more powerful. So, don't ask, will AI take my job? Ask this instead. Am I just using AI, or do I actually understand what I'm building? Because in this era, the top 1% are not the fastest coders, they are the one who think deeply, adapt quickly, and build things that actually matter. If you are ready to stop worrying and start building, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Drop a comment with one project you are starting today. Now get off YouTube and start building some stuff. I will see you in the next one.